Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day because for a while now I've been wanting a laptop and finally I got one. So I just got back from Best Buy with my mom and we went to Target too to pick up like an adapter thing for my SD card. And now we're back home obviously and we got the MacBook Pro 13-inch. This one is the 128 gigabytes I think, and then rude. Sorry about that. This one is the one without the touch bar and I got it in silver. I'm so excited. I feel like you guys can't see this that well. That's a tiny bit better. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. Oh my god. It's kind of heavier than I thought it would be. Okay, I'm gonna set it aside for just a second. Gotta get to all the boring stuff first. So first we have the charging cable, then we have these papers, and it just has all this boring stuff, and then it has a charging cube thing. I guess these used to be like bigger or something. I don't know. I was watching a bunch of unboxings and like reviews and stuff, and I think these used to be bigger. So that's all the boring stuff in the box. Now let's get to the fun stuff. Okay, I'm gonna take up the plastic. Oh my god, here it is. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. I cannot believe this is in my hands right now. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for this. Okay, I'm about to open it up. I should probably put it this way and open it up. I thought it was gonna turn on. I guess not. Hello. Do I need to charge it? Like, well, that was anticlimactic. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna plug it in because it's not turning on. In all the like videos I watched, it turned on. Ew, I really don't like the material of this. It like rubs off on my hands. Like it's like sticky. Oh my gosh. Finally, oh my god. Guess we just sit and wait now. Finally. Okay, so English, yes. It's asking my language. Also, I'm sorry for talking so quiet this entire video. I think someone might be asleep. I'm not sure. Okay, now I just need to sign in with my Apple ID. It says it's not the right password, but like it is. Come on. It's saying it doesn't work, but like I'm entering the right password, so I don't know how it doesn't work. What? Okay, it's not working, so I'm just gonna skip that and set it up later. Don't skip. Never mind, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna look it up. I can't look it up on my computer though. Okay, so I can finally talk at a normal volume now, and I just got my computer all set up. I was really worried there for a second because it was saying there was something wrong with like my Apple ID, but I was entering the right password, so that was super frustrating. But yeah, now I'm just sitting here on my bed just trying to mess around with the laptop. I moved some things around in the dock because I don't use a lot of the things that were down there, and I put iMovie there so that I can edit with it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get my like background change. I'm just gonna try to get everything set up right now, put a profile picture, like all that stuff. So yeah, that's about it. I'll probably keep vlogging, I'm not sure. I feel like this unboxing was so dumb because it was just like me being frustrated and I had to talk really quiet, so didn't really turn out how I thought it would, but I don't really care because I have a laptop now and that's the point. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys the next time I have something interesting going on. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just got back from school. I had dance right now, so that's why I'm all gross. And I decided to vlog a little bit because I'm just bored doing chores right now. I was planning on coming home and getting ready and filming because I need to get my video done for this week, but then my dad and an alarm company were here to update my alarm system and everything in my house. So now we're even more safe than we were before, but I just couldn't film because those people were here. So now I'm just doing some chores. I think I'm gonna watch the Dolan twins' new video because it's currently Tuesday and they have a video coming out today. And I didn't see what it was. I just saw the thumbnail and they were holding like a ton of shopping bags. I feel like every single one of their videos has something to do with them like buying like Louis Vuitton or something. But yeah, so now I'm just putting my dishes away. I ordered some stuff for my laptop that came in yesterday and today. So I'm really excited about that. I got a little SD card adapter because the one
one that I got from Target didn't work. Even though it said it was Mac compatible, it's not. So I had to get a new one. I just ordered one on Amazon on Sunday and then it came yesterday, which was Monday. So it was super fast. If you don't have Amazon Prime, it is so worth it. Amazon Prime is amazing and it is a lifesaver. And then I also ordered a case on Sunday and the case came in today for my laptop. I haven't decided if I'm going to use it for just traveling to keep it like protected or if I'm gonna use it like all the time, because it's not like the cutest case. It's cute, but it's just like not how I pictured it was gonna be. So I'll show you guys the case when I'm done putting all these dishes away. It's just pink and I thought it was gonna be like a solid color and I thought it was gonna be lighter than it was, but it's like hot pink and it's like see-through a little bit, which I don't really like. I thought it was just gonna be like a cute blush pink and it was gonna be just like not see-through at all, but it's not. So I don't know how much I like it, but it doesn't really matter because it's just about protection. I'm thinking about ordering some stickers for it or something from Redbubble. By the way, if you guys are looking for a good place to get stickers for like your hydro flask or like anything, Redbubble is so good. They have the cutest stickers and they're really good quality and they're not even that expensive. You can get like 10 of them for like less than 20 bucks. That might sound expensive, but like at other sticker websites and stuff, it's so much more expensive. Each of the stickers is like $5 or something and it's like ridiculously priced. So Redbubble has like super good quality stickers for not that much money. That is where I got all the stickers on my hydro flask. I'll show you guys my hydro flask too. So yeah, it's kind of just a boring vlog right now. Sorry about that. But I have a test in pre-calc on Friday and I have a test in chemistry tomorrow. And then I have other homework too. So I have a bunch of studying and homework to do. And it's kind of stressing me out because I was planning on filming today just to like get it done early in the week so I can work on editing throughout the week, because I have to get this video approved before I actually post it. And then those guys from the alarm company came, so I wasn't able to do that, but it's okay because now at least I can study. But at least next week is spring break, so I'm super excited about that because all I have to do is get through this week and then I'm done. Well, I'm not like done, but I have a break for a week. So I'll show you guys my laptop case. Here it is. It's cute, but from the picture, I thought it was going to be like a lighter like blush pink and I thought it was going to be like not see-through at all. And I'll show you guys the stickers on my hydro flask too. They are super good quality. So if you're looking for a place to get some stickers, then I recommend that. So I think I'm gonna go now because I really need to start on homework and I also look really bad right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go study and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. So it is currently Wednesday. It is after school now and I am getting ready to film a video. I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes, just touching up my makeup. I use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Also, so many of you guys ask me how I curl my hair, and that is going to be coming in a video very soon. So I don't think the video that I'm filming right now is out yet by the time you guys are watching this. So I'm not gonna say what it is, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes and give you guys a hint. So the people that watch the vlogs usually do get some hints on future videos, so definitely watch the vlogs. I haven't done a vlog in a while. I've actually been vlogging, but I haven't uploaded one in such a long time because I haven't gotten any good footage. But I just realized, like, you know what, I'm never gonna get really good footage if it's just like a vlog of me being at home and like doing boring stuff. So I was just like, you know what, maybe people would like to see this side of my life, I guess. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just trying to get ready to film, but I don't want to leave anything out of this video. Sorry for this angle right now. My room looks super messy, but that's just because I'm about to film. In the area that you see right here, it's going to look super clean, but in the rest of the room, it looks very messy. I'll show you guys a little overview. This is what my room looks like. So I was just getting ready to film and I was doing my makeup and stuff and I was watching YouTube while I was getting ready. Also, this is my lighting system. It's just a lamp that has like a white light and then a chair or a stool, whatever. Also, I've never done this before. Usually I just use the natural light from my window. From right here, the lighting is really good. But then when I go Back here by my desk, it is definitely not as good. So the lighting just kind of depends. I got sidetracked. So I was saying, I was getting ready to film this video and I was watching a bunch of YouTubers videos on how they were preparing to go to Coachella. And I'm honestly really surprised at how many YouTubers actually go to Coachella. I know it's super popular and it's like a really fun event and stuff, but I know that Coachella donates a lot of money to some really, really bad things. I'm not going to get into all that right now, but I just do not support Coachella. If YouTubers want to go, that's totally fine. Just because they go doesn't mean they support the things that Coachella does. And it's just like a fun experience to listen to music with your friends and stuff. It doesn't have to be super like deep or anything, I guess. But at the same time, like, I don't know, I just wouldn't want to support that stuff that Coachella supports. So yeah, that's all I have to say about Coachella. Sorry about that little mini rant right there. Currently trying to figure out my setup. It's like crooked and I don't know why. I think it'll look better once my door is closed. I think it's angled down a little bit too much. Oh my god, please don't tell me I broke it. Please don't tell me I broke it. Please don't tell me I broke it. No, why isn't it focusing? It's not focusing. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. You guys just saw me drop my camera while I was trying to put it on that tripod. It fell and then it wouldn't go back into focus. So that was absolutely terrifying because I thought I had like broken it for good, but I hadn't. I just turned it off and turned it back on and then it started working again. Since I'm already here, since I have the camera set up, might as well do the outro. So I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. And I'm thinking I'm gonna be doing a couple more extra uploads within the next couple weeks because I have spring break next week and sadly I am not going anywhere for spring break, but at the same time that does mean that I'm going to be home and I can film all week. So I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna try to get a ton of videos filmed and edited and stuff so that way when I'm like backed up with schoolwork I can already have a video ready so I can get ahead a little bit. Should I change my shirt for this video? I don't know. I really like this shirt. I feel like it's kind of like I look like a 12-year-old boy, but at the same time it's kind of cute. I don't know. I like it. So I need to stop talking and start filming my video for this Sunday. So I will see you guys on Sunday with my new video. Comment down below if you guys can guess what it is. I don't really think I showed you guys much of a sneak peek, but check out my last Instagram picture and my last couple videos because in each of my last couple videos I gave you guys kind of a sneak peek, I guess, with things that I was wearing. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my username is @McKenna_Salazar. While I'm on the subject of self-promo, might as well promote my dote too. So yeah, I do have a dote. It's just Kenna Marie with 2 E's. Okay, anyway, I've been talking for way too long. So I will see you guys on Sunday with a new video. Bye guys.